So it's because this thing is debated and misinterpreted so many times. I've heard over the last 30 years in Vrindavan about this point, especially in Vrindavan, because so many devotees are always dying in Vrindavan. Oh, where did Indra go, and where did so-and-so go, and oh no, he took birth in Barsana, and this and that, and everyone speculates so many things. But unless it's clear that the person's on a level of prema, which is very, 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 very rare, then there'll be another birth, and Vrindavan will be a great blessing. So that's the amazing. That's why people, they just somehow or other they come here, and even they don't do much bhajan. Some old ladies or whatever, they know this. And this is the dham. So somehow they have that fortune. Krishna allows them to come here. In other words, that dacoit dies here. Krishna let him. Like if someone's in my house and I don't like them, I throw them out. Someone's making a mess in my house, but so Krishna is so karuna, so bhaktivatsal. This whole description in Puranas about dying in Vrindavan and going to Goloka Vrindavan, Mamalayam, they will come to me, they will come to Goloka Vrindavan, to my place, Krishna speaking, Damodar, Govinda speaking, Gopinath. In the future, I will give them that blessing. It's like a kid's born, so then his grandfather puts 1 crore rupee in a fixed deposit in the bank or in bonds. And then he tells his son when he's about 5, he said, when you're 21, you'll get this 1 crore. He said, wow, that's pretty good. And I'll be able to invest in business or whatever. But then it's there, it's with him. And he does so many things, this, that, and the other thing. Maybe he even goes broke. Even is poor. His father may run out of money. But he can't touch that money. But then, when he's 21, oh, here's your 1 crore. So the same thing, you die, okay, it's guaranteed. Krishna's, the Shastras are correct. They say, you'll come to me. So you will come to Krishna. Whereas any other, thousands of dacoits and gundas and bad people and thieves are dying around, criminals are dying around the world, they're never coming to Krishna.
It's not gambling, you have to go through that phase, come to the level of prayer.
Yeah. Because I hear so many things that even big, so-called big advanced devotees, they comment on their disciples. Oh, she died in Vrindavan, she went to Krishna, this, that. It's nice sentiments, but it's not the fact.